Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to FWR, and today I am going to explain factors and multiples, finding the common factors of the number. First, let us start with a example. There is 24 and 56. So first of all, we'll divide this page into half like this. Like this. Here I have divided the page into two halves, and one side I have written 24 and the other side I have written 56. And now we are going to write all the factors from which these two numbers are going. So let us first start with the 24 number. So first of all we will write here 1 into 24. First table is 1. First we'll write from 1 and then we'll start. And then we'll write 2 into 12. Then 3 into 8. Then 4 into 6. Then 5, no, because of divisibility rule of 5 says that a number ending with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5, but here the number ending is 4, so it is not. Then 6, so 6 is already there, so then it's repeating, so we will make a U or anything you like. I'm making a U type like this. Then we will write off 56. Again we will start from 1 into 56. Then 2 into 28 is 56. Then 3, divisibility of rule of 3 says the addition of the number, so we'll add 5 by 6. The answer is coming 11, but 11 does not goes in the table of 3, so this whole number is not divisible by 3. Then we will come to 4. The divisibility rule of 4 says that the last two digits of the number, whether it is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible, so we will write 4, and if it is not, so we will not write. So yes, 56 is divisible by 4, and 4 into 14 is 56. Then we will come to 5. 5, as we all know the divisibility rule of 5 which I have said, so according to that this is not. Then 7, in the table of 7, 56 comes, so 7 into 8 is 56. Then 8 into 7 is 56, so now it's repeating, so we'll make a U. And then as the heading is finding the common factors of the number, so here we will write CF is equals to common factor only, and here we will see the numbers which are common. So 1 is everywhere common, 2 here and 2 here also, so 2, 3 here, but 3 is not there. 4 is there and 4 is there also. Make a line. 8, yes. Then 14 not there, 28 not there, and 56 is not there. So the common factors of them are 4, 8, 1, 2, only this much. So the common factors of these two numbers are 4, 8, 1, 2. Or else if we will arrange it into ascending order, we will get 1, 2, 4, 8. as if compared to ascending order. So now we shall take another example for our clarity. So here I am. Example number B is 72 and 60. So again we will draw a line and here we will write 72 and in this column we will write 60. Let me show you again. So here I have again drawn like that. So here we will write all the factors of 72, then 60, then 60. So 1 into 72 is a factor, and then and do you know the divisibility rule of 2? Those who are not knowing, I should tell you that any number whose the ending number is even is divisible by 2. So this 72 is also divisible by 2, and it is 2 into 36, and then the divisibility rule of 3 says, as I have told you, the addition of the number is 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 2. So this 72 will go by 3 is 24. Here you will write 3 into 24, then 4. So the 72 also goes with the 4, and the answer is 4 into 18. Then 5, no. 6, yes, by 6 also it goes. 6 into 12. Then 7, no, because 7 twos is 70, and then 7 into 7 is 77. So where does 72 comes? No, na. So then we will jump to 8, and 8 nines is 72. Then 9. Here 9 eights are 72. So now it's repeating. So the total factors are 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, and 8 into 9. And like that we can do it opposite or opposite also, like 9 into 8, 12 into 6, 18 into 4, 24 into 3, 36 into 2, and 72 into 1 is also 72. So here we will make a U, and here now we will write the factors of 60. Here 1 into 60, and then 2 into 30. Actually my handwriting is little bit slanting than here because the phone is in front of me now. So while writing I am facing some difficulty, so never mind, I am doing my best. Then 2 into 30 is 60, and 3 into 20 is also 60. Then 4. So then 4 tens are 80, 4 tens are 40, and 4 20s are 80. So yes, while calculation I can find that 4 into 50 is 60. Then 5. Yes, 5 so there's a 0 or a 5 is divisible by 5. So here we will write 5 into 10 is 50, then 55, then 60, means 11, then 12. So 5 into 12, then 6. Yes, 6 into 10 is also 60. Then 7, it doesn't goes. Then 8, it doesn't goes. 9, it doesn't goes. Then 10, it's repeating. So we have to make a Q, U. By mistake I have said Q, sorry. And now here we will write CF, means common factor. And now we will circle the common factors. 1 1, I'll circle one side only. 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4, 1 2 3 4, then 6 6, then 8 but not there, 9 but not there, 12 yes, then 18 but not there, 24 but not there, 36 but not there. So now if I'll arrange these common factor ascendingly, so first it will come 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 12. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Okay, so I hope that you all have understood the concept, and if you like if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video as much as you can. Bye for now. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.